Good morning! So ngayong umaga guys, mag-candle lang tayo kasi guys, ang amoy ng bahay is amoy galunggong. So kaya yun, candle. At kailangan ko nang bumili pa ng maraming candle na Yankee candle kasi ang bango. So yan. Hi guys, good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning guys! So ngayon, aalis si Tami ng maaga kasi magbutar daw siya guys. Magbutar. This is the second time for matanda na si Tami. Ngayon lang siya bumutar. Well, actually second time. Yun, kasi nga, ano siya, parang naano siya sa mga, tawag nito, mga election dito, na na, iwan ko na lang si Batman guys, oy. Lang siya. Anyway, I will see you guys na lang later. Kasi, alam nyo na. And when I la, I promise you.
Seriously? You're not looking. What's up, Monica Barrio? I just came back from voting. Now I am making some macaroni salad.
See, he's voting. Yay! He votes. That's it? Celery.
And I can do some olives.
Olives.
So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna have to go to work. I refuse to go in early today because it's election day. And
I'm sorry guys, he's talking behind you.
sorry. I didn't go in early today because it's election day, and I really wanted to make sure to vote on election day.
Do we have things over there bag for this already, right? I think we do.
None. I don't see one in there, so. You were the last one to use that, so.
Yes.
So
So
now
you-
we're just gonna get a macaroni salad, and then I'm gonna chill out a little bit, and then head into work.
So he decided to do macaroni salad because he's going to bring it to work.
Well, it doesn't have to be heated up.
Yeah, you can eat it while it's cold. Oh, alaman, you have another salad here. Oh my god, iceberg.
Did the water start boiling yet?
Not really good. You want me to do it quicker? I okay.
I thought I had it on high.
No, low it down a little bit.
You lowered it?
Anyway, so this is what we're doing. I'm helping him, guys. You know. He cut celery. I cut celery. He cut onion, and then olives. And that's really it, right?
That's it. Eggs.
And eggs boiling. We're still boiling eggs right now. When I look into your eyes, I promise you.
So you
I love you, Tommy. When you go, don't forget me.
macaroni salad's pretty simple, guys.
Do you love me, Tami moy? Do you?
Look, everything is the prep work is the worst of everything.
He's ignoring me. Do you love me?
Yes.
Do you love me?
I'm just gonna mix this right in here.
Yeah, you can. You want more? I think that's enough, right?
There's only 3 left.
That's it. This is it. We have a lot of banana to make again because my husband keep buying banana. Now I get fat
I
because
did not
of...
buy any bananas, so you know, guys. I had it. I bought them. They were sitting in the car. I bought grapes. My wife took the grapes and said, "Oh, take the stuff out of the car." She took the grapes. She left the bananas, and she went and bought all the bananas. So.
He bought banana without me knowing. So I have to buy more. Okay, so anyway guys, so that's it. Pansit.
Not looking at the celery.
And is my body very soft?
It's flowy. I think we need more celery too.
And the celery is fine. You told me two. I did
know, but
3. So you want more?
They're very small.
Shake it. Then, aalis yan, guys. Iwan na naman tayo. Kasi yun yung papel niya sa buhay, no? Ang papel niya sa buhay is iwan po tayo. Pero, trabaho kasi, guys. So, kailangan niyang gawin. Pero, ang problema nito kasi bukas, trabaho na naman daw siya. Late siyang makauwi ngayong gabi. Very late. And then, pagkatapos niyan, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka nang uuwi daw. Sinabihan ko siya, huwag ka nang uuwi. Kasi, uuwi ka dito sa bahay, late. And then, kailangan mo ding aalis agad dahil kailangan mo magtrabaho. Parang walang pahinga mag-drive. Pero this time talaga is parang wala siyang time na matulog. Kasi pagdating dito late, and then trabaho na naman. I have to put this in the container because you just ignore it here.
I'll put it in the container. I got it.
Anyway guys, aalis na si Tammy. Aalis na yung mister ko. Magdala siya ng blanket. Blanket kasi baka hindi na siya uuwi dito. Let's see. No, he's being scotched, so I deserve not to eat. Well, your son is not right. Spoiled boy. So, yun. Alis. Do you want banana, love? Ayaw talaga niya maglinis ng mukha, guys. So, sabi pa niya, as a lalaki daw, easy daw sa atin mga babae magsasabing, linisin mo yung mukha mo. Pero alam mo daw, sabi pa niya, nakakapagod daw yung maglinis ng mukha palagi. Kaya na-stress siya kapag palagi kong sinasabihan na maglinis. Kasi nakakapagod daw. I think it's understandable kasi kapag sabihan ka, hoy, mag-shave ka ng ng bulbul. Diba, nakakapagod. Nakakapagod mag-shave ng bulbul. Ay, nako, ito na naman tayo. But anyway, so alis na siya. Okay, Rox. Come on, Roxy, let me take off your diaper first. Hello guys! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning mga ka-everything! Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit everything, then hindi ka nag-follow sa aking YouTube! Anyway, ngayong umaga is maglilinis po ako sa office ni Mr. Kasi inopen namin yung window kasi para yung hangin labas-masok. So ngayon, ang lilinisin ko is itong couch na ito. And then, kinavira namin siya. It need washing and vacuuming. Kasi nga, andito palagi si Dimples at saka si Hobbs. Sinira na nga ito ni Hobbs. And then, yun. Anyway, so ito yung gagawin ko. Maglinis lang ako, guys. And, hello, love! Good morning! My husband doesn't woke me up this morning. What time you get home? 3:30 daw. Uy, grabe. Oh my God, 3 o'clock.
Did you see this?
No, did you send it to me?
No.
Where did you find it?
This has been all over like you.
Okay, I wanna see it. Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Pagkatapos naming naglampungan ni Mr., andito na ako sa office niya. Nililinis ko lang itong couch. At itong couch na ito is futon. May tawag ito. Basta kayo upuan. Nililinis ko, vina-vacuum kasi ang daming buhok. At saka alam nyo naman, nakikita nyo, cortina itim. Gusto ni Tammy itim kasi mahilig siya sa itim. So, kaya yun. At saka kinakabiran talaga namin yan dahil itim. So, yun na. Pagkatapos niyan, nag-refill na ako ng pang-spray ng ating couch. Kasi kailangan siyang isprayhan. Ano ito? Fabrish yun siya. So, inisprehan ko lang pag tapos ng vacuum. And then, nililinis ko din sa likuran guys kasi ang daming buhok. Kasi doon si Dimples talaga nagtatago. At saka, ang hirap linisin ang daming buhok. So, yun, linis-linis pag may time. Pagkatapos kong nag-vacuum, kailangan ko lang pong protektahan itong wood. Hindi ko na protektahan, hindi ko na kinukuha yung lahat ng gamit dito. Ang ginawa ko lang is yung traffic area kasi po nawawala yung protection. At saka ang ganda ng protection ito guys kasi talagang protect yung wood. So kaya yun yung ginawa ko, kailangan ko lang protektahan. So yun guys, ang anting pahinga lang ako guys. Nilagyan ko ng protection yung wood. So ngayon, dito lang ay ito lang yung nilagyan ko guys, yung protected na siya guys, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Kasi kailangan siyang protektahan dahil sa ating alaga, di ba? So yun, protect na siya. Ito dyan lang yan, yan kalat ni Mr. Ibalik natin ito mamaya. Itong office ni Mr. hindi po ito totally malinis kasi nga lalaki siya, at saka ganyan naman talaga yung space ng lalaki, no? So paminsan pabayaan ko, paminsan napagod ako kakatingin na sobrang dumi, so lilinisin ko, lalo na itong floor, importante, priority ko itong floor, alagaan. So yun guys, nalubat yung battery. So ang next kong ayusin is may kaunti pa siya, hindi pa talaga siya totally dry, pero hindi ko muna ilagay dito yung bed ng pusa, yung brown na malaki kasi po kailangan talaga siyang mag-dry. And okay naman, matapakan na siya, pero hindi pa talaga siya totally look. Yan, diba? Yun siya. Maganda kapag talagang alagaan natin yung floor kasi nga, you know, bahay, investment, alagaan. But I'm happy every time na may ma-accomplish ako. Sobrang saya kasi kahit ito lang muna yung ko, at least tapos na yung floor, alagaan na natin. And then yun, hindi ko na siya i-double coat kasi one coat lang siya guys para to protect, no? One coat is enough. Finally, tapos na po tayo sa paglilinis for now. For now lang naman, 'di ba? Kasi marami pa akong dapat gawin. And it is already 6 o'clock pero sa isip ko 7 o'clock na. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kain lang kami guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video, and also follow my page sa Facebook. Bye guys. Thank you so much.